In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook account. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Outlook. From the search results, look for the official Outlook website and open it. When the page loads, find the option that says Create Account and click on it to begin the sign-up process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address you want to use for your new account. Take a moment here to choose something professional, simple, and easy to remember, especially if you plan to use this email for work, school, or important communication. After entering your desired email address, click Next to continue. On the following screen, you'll need to create a password for your account. Make sure you choose a strong password that is secure, but also something you can remember. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to help protect your account. Once you've entered your password, click Next again. After that, Outlook will guide you through the remaining setup prompts shown on your screen. These prompts may include confirming basic account details, completing verification steps, or reviewing a few setup options. Just follow each instruction carefully and move through the process step by step. If something doesn't load right away, give it a moment and avoid clicking too many times, since that can sometimes slow things down. As you complete the prompts, make sure the information you enter is accurate. This is important because it can help with account recovery and security later on. If Outlook asks you to verify that you're a real person, simply complete the verification and continue. Once the setup is finished, your new Outlook account will be ready to use. At that point, feel free to explore Outlook and get familiar with the interface. You can check your inbox, send emails, and look around at the available features so you feel comfortable using your new account. And that's it. Creating an Outlook account is a quick process when you follow each prompt carefully. Take your time, make sure your details are entered correctly, and once you're done, you'll be ready to start using Outlook right away.